So here, find the angle between the following two circles. This is the given circle 1 and circle 2. Comparing the given above circles with the general circles. You know what are general circles? X square plus y square plus 2gx plus 2fy plus c is equal to 0. X square plus y square 2g dash 2f dash plus c is equal to 0. C dash. What is g? F c. G dash f dash c dash. You know, g f c. G dash f dash c dash. And what is the formula of radius 1? Root of g square plus f square minus c. Radius 2, g dash square f dash square minus c dash. R1 is equal to 2, R2 is equal to 6 root of 2. You know what is the formula of cos theta? C plus c dash minus 2gg dash minus 2f f dash by 2 R1 R2. Apply the values. And the sum is 83 minus 59. 24 by 24 root of 2. So, we got it as cos theta is equal to 1 by root of 2 is equal to cos 45 degrees. Implies angle between two circles is 45 degrees. Angle between two circles is 45 degrees. This is the method how to find the angle between two circles. Sometimes the same question was given in IP 4 marks also, actually related to objective question, objective model. Coming to the next bit. Next bit. Third question. Prove that the angle between the circles x square plus y square is equal to a square and x square plus y square minus ax minus ay is equal to 0 is 3 pi by 4. So very important bit. A repeated previous question. Find the angle between them and show that you have to show that is 3 pi by 4, 135 degrees. Come to the solution part. What is the given first circle? X square plus y square minus a square 0. And the second circle, x square plus y square minus ax minus ay is equal to 0. On comparing with the general equations, g, f, c, there is no x term, y term, so g is equal to 0, f is equal to 0. This is c. Come to the next. G dash minus a by 2, f dash minus a by 2, c dash, there is no c dash, so the value of c dash is equal to 0. We know that what is the formula of R1? Radius 1, root of g square plus f square minus c, 0 plus a square, so radius 1 is a. R2 is equal to root of g dash square f dash square minus c dash is equal to under root of a square by 4 plus a square by 4 plus 0. 2a square by 4. 2a square by 4. That is a by root of 2. A by root of 2. We know the formula is, we know that cos theta is equal to c plus c dash minus 2gg dash minus 2f f dash by 2 r1 r2. Apply the values. C plus c dash minus a square, c dash is nothing, 2gg dash is 0, 2f f dash also 0. Because of g is equal to 0, f is equal to 0. By 2 r1 r2 a by root of 2. A and a with a square cancel. 1 square root of 2 cancel. We have minus 1 by root of 2. That is cos theta. So therefore, cos theta is equal to minus 1 by root of 2. Cos theta is equal to minus cos pi by 4. This is cos of pi minus pi by 4. This is cos of 3 pi by 4. That is the value of cos theta. Then angle between the above two circles, what it was, he is asking to show that it is 3 pi by 4. Show that angle between the circle 1 and circle 2 is equal to 3 pi by 4. So very important, repeated number of times given in final examinations. Circle 1, circle 2. Comparing with the standard equation with standard equation. We have G, F, C. G dash, F dash, C dash. What is R1? What is R2? And what is the formula of cos of angle theta? C plus C dash minus 2G G dash minus 2F F dash by 2 R1 R2. Just applying the values, we get cos theta is minus 1 by root of 2. Cos theta is minus 1 by root of 2. Cos of 45. Pi minus pi by 4. 3 pi by 4. Therefore, angle between two circles, given circles is 3 pi by 4. 135 degrees. Right? Do all of you this question at least 2 times. Next question. Problem 4. Show the following circles. Show that the following circles intersect orthogonally. Show that the following circles intersect orthogonally. Say one problem I am doing. First bit, x square plus y square plus 4x minus 2y minus 11. X square plus y square minus 4x minus 8y plus 11 is equal to 0. To prove they intersect orthogonally, we have to prove 2g dash 2f f dash is equal to c plus c dash. We have to show that 2g dash 2f f dash is equal to c plus c dash. Comparing with the general equation, x square plus y square plus 4x minus 2y minus 11 is 0. X square plus y square minus 4x minus 8y plus 11 is equal to 0. G, 2g, F, C, G dash, F dash, C dash. Consider LHS. 2g g dash plus 2f f dash. 2g g dash 2f f dash. What are the values? This is 2 2's 4 2's 2 4's. What is the value of it? Something 0. Coming to RHS. What is C plus C dash? Minus 11 plus 11. So you got that also 0. Therefore, LHS is equal to RHS implies 2GG dash plus 2FF dash is equal to C plus C dash. Therefore, the given circles intersect orthogonally. The given two circles intersect orthogonally. As an example, you do this problem. X square plus y square minus 2x plus 4y plus 4 is equal to 0. X square plus y square plus 3x plus 4y plus 1 is equal to 0. Check the condition for orthogonality. Check the condition for orthogonality. Coming to the solution. By comparison, G, F, C. 2G is equal to minus 2. So this is minus 1. 2F, C, G dash, 2G dash, 3 by 2. 2F dash, C dash. We have to prove that 2GG dash plus 2FF dash is equal to C plus C dash. Write what is LHS. 2GG dash plus 2FF dash. 2 into G minus 1. G dash 3 by 2 plus 2 times F. What is F? 2. F dash 2. What are the values? These two cancel. This is minus 3. 2 2s, 4 2s, 8. The value of t is 5. So the value of left hand side is 2GG dash plus 2FF dash is equal to 5. Coming to the right hand side. RHS, C plus C dash. What is C? What is C dash? Note that here C is equal to 4 and C dash is equal to 1. 4 plus 1. So what you have, this left hand side is 5 and the right hand side also 5. Therefore, LHS is equal to RHS implies 2GG dash plus 2FF dash is equal to C plus C dash. Therefore, the given two circles intersect orthogonally. Suppose if these two are not equal, we say that the above two circles not intersecting orthogonally. Consider the given two circles. We have to check the condition for orthogonality. By comparing with general circles G, F, C, G dash, F dash, C dash. Right, we have to show that 2GG dash plus 2FF dash is equal to C plus C dash. What is the left hand side? 2GG dash plus 2FF dash. Just applying the values you get that is 5. Coming to the right hand side, C plus C dash, 4 plus 1 is equal to 5. So LHS and RHS they both are equivalent. We say that 2GG dash, VFF dash follows C plus C dash. That means the given two circles intersect orthogonally. Hence the condition was verified. Coming to the next problem. Coming to the next problem 5. It's very, very important one. Find the equation of circle. Find the equation of a circle which passes through 0, 0 and intersecting the circles x square plus y square minus 4x minus 6y minus 3 is equal to 0 and x square plus y square minus 8x plus 12 is equal to 0 orthogonally. This is a very important model. Find the equation of a circle which is passing through 0, 0 and intersecting the circles x square plus y square minus 4x minus 6y minus 3 0 and x square plus y square minus 8x plus 12 is equal to 0 orthogonally. Coming to the solution part, let x square plus y square plus 2gx plus 2fy plus c is equal to 0 be the required circle, be the required equation of circle, be the required equation of a circle. Given that it was passing through the point 0, 0, it passes through 0, 0 implies apply 0, 0. Then we have 2gx plus 2fy plus c is equal to 0. 0 plus 0 plus 0 plus 0 plus c is equal to 0. So therefore, the value of c must be 0. C is equal to 0. Coming to the next conditions. Intersect the circle x square plus y square minus 4x minus 6y minus 3 is equal to 0 orthogonally. Then apply the condition. You know what is the condition? 2g g dash plus 2f f dash is equal to c plus c dash. 2g, what is g dash? Minus 2. 2f, what is f dash? Minus 3. C must be 0 plus c is c itself and c dash is equal to 0. We have to find c value. This is 0. C plus c dash. One is 0 and one is minus 3. Minus 3. C must be 0. C dash is minus 3. Minus 3 and 0. Now from this we have minus 4g minus 6f is equal to minus 3. 4g plus 6f is equal to 3. This is another condition. 4g plus 6f is equal to 3. Right. And again it intersect orthogonally with intersect orthogonally with x square plus y square minus 8x plus 12 is equal to 0. Imply the condition 2g g dash plus 2f f dash is equal to c plus c dash. Again apply the same condition. 2g into what is g dash? Minus 4 plus 2f into what is f dash? F dash, there is no f dash. C value 0 and c dash is 12. Now by simplification we have minus 8g is equal to 12. Then g is equal to 12 by 8 with minus is equal to minus 3 by 4. Therefore, the value of g is equal to minus 4 threes and 4 2s minus 3 by 2. Now find the value of f from this equation. By the second equation we have 4g plus 6f is equal to 3. 6f is equal to 3 minus 4g. 3 minus 4g. That is 3 minus 4g. 4 3s are 12 by 3. This is nothing but 3 plus 4 is equal to 7. Then the value of f is equal to, what is the value of f? 4g. 4 3s are 12. 6f plus 4g is equal to 3. 6f is equal to 3 minus 4g. 4g. The value of g is equal to 4g plus 6f. The value of g is minus 3 by 2. This is correct. Apply minus 3 by 2 here. 3 fourths 12. 3 fourths are 12. By 2 this is. This is by 2. Then you have this is 6. And we have this is 9. Therefore, 6f is equal to 9. It follows f is equal to 9 by 6, 3 by 2. The value of f is equal to 3 by 2. Therefore, the required equation of circle is x square plus y square plus 2gx plus 2fy plus c is equal to 0. Apply the values. X square plus y square 2g minus 3x 2f 3y plus c value must be 0. So this is the equation of circle. Required data follows. Again let us recall the solutions. Very important problem. Find the equation of circle which is passing through the point 0, 0 and intersecting the circles, the given two circles orthogonally. You know, in case of general equation of a circle, we have three unknowns g, f, c. So we must need three conditions. One condition is passing through 0, 0. One condition is intersect orthogonally and another condition intersect orthogonally with another circle. Consider the general equation of a circle. Given it was passing through 0, 0. Then you have 0, 0, 0 follows, c value is 0. Now we can make use of intersect the circle orthogonally. You know what is the condition of orthogonality? 2gg dash plus 2ff dash is equal to c plus c dash. By applying you get one condition. Condition 1, condition 2. Similarly, it was intersecting orthogonally with the another circle. Apply the same another condition and simplify. You get one more condition 3. By 1, 2, 3 you know very well all of you how to solve them while finding the circle equation of your first chapter. Just like that you get what is the g, f and c. Just applying in the standard equation, the required equation of circle is x square plus y square plus 2gx plus 2fy plus c is equal to 0. Writing the values, you have this is the general equation of circle, required equation of circle. Right? So one very important problem. I am giving as an exercise one more question of the same model. Problem 6. Find the equation of circle passing through 0, 0 and intersecting the circles x square plus y square minus 4x minus 6y minus 3 is equal to 0 and x square plus y square minus 8y plus 12 is equal to 0 orthogonally. And one more problem of same data passing through 0, 0 and intersecting the circles x square plus y square minus 4x plus 6y plus 10 is equal to 0 and another one is x square plus y square plus 12y plus 6 is equal to 0 orthogonally. Intersect these two circles orthogonally. We have explained the previous question. As it is model, you can do this and this. Both are same data, same concept. Find the equation of circle passing through 0, 0 and intersecting the above two circles orthogonally. Start with general equation, apply 0, 0, you get C value 0 and apply the two conditions of orthogonality for both circles. You have three conditions, three unknowns, solve them, you get your answer. As your class work, you can do yourself these two. Do these two problems just like above yourself. Let us go to the next one more model question. Coming to the next question. Find the equation of circle find the equation of a circle passing through two comma 0, 0 comma 2 and intersecting orthogonally the circle 2x square plus 2y square plus 5x minus 6y plus 4 is equal to 0. Under the same model, but we have given 2 points and intersect orthogonally with one circle. We have to find the equation. This is also a very, very important question. We can start doing the solution. Let x square plus y square plus 2gx plus 2fy plus c is equal to 0 be the required equation. Be the required equation of circle. It passes through